What we have to do is we have to change into base e. F of x is equal to log base e log x divided by log base e x square. Step 1. We change into base e because base is x square is given. Now, f of x is equal to log base e log x divided by log base e x square. Applying quotient rule, log base e x square d by dx of log base e log x minus log base e log x into d by dx of log base e x square whole divided by, this can be written as log base e x square whole square. Now, log base e x square, next log base e log x differentiation is 1 by log base e x and derivative log x is 1 by x. We applied the chain rule here. Minus log base e log x into 1 by x square into derivative x square is 2x whole divided by this can be written as log base e x square whole square. This is the final value of dy by dx. Now, he is asking at x equal to e. So, x equal to e, let us substitute. So, what we get here? 2 log base e into 1 by log base e minus 1 by e minus log base e into 2 by e whole divided by log base e 2 whole square, because log base e x square is nothing but, finally what we get is log base e is 1. I will write in curly bracket. Log base e is equal to 1. So log base e equal to 1. So what we get is 2 by e. This is multiplication. We get 2 by e minus log base e is 1. Log of log base e will give you log base e which is equal to 0 minus 0. Why? Log base e 1 which will give you 0. So 2 by e minus 0 by 4, or this can be written as 1 by 2e. So final answer is 1 by 2e. So option D is correct, 1 by 2e. I repeat once again, f of x equal log base e log x by log base e x square. So what is happening here? Denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator by denominator square. So carefully when we do it, I'll write once again, d by dx of log base e log x is nothing but 1 by log base ex into d by dx of log base ex, which is nothing but 1 by x into 1 by log base ex.